water or someplace to get to cool later on this afternoon. After we get rid of these clouds, we're going to heat up very quickly. Temperatures this morning starting out in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Those are the yellow numbers, the temperatures, but the blue numbers are the dew points, and those are also very high this morning in the upper 60s to lower 70s. So as we heat up and we're not going to get rid of a whole lot of moisture, that's going to allow it to feel very oppressive coming up later this afternoon. 85 by 11, 93 mostly sunny by 3 p.m. and those winds will be out of the southwest at around 15 to 20 miles per hour, which will help us out later today. There are the storms from overnight now moving into northeast Iowa. Still some ongoing thunderstorms though for areas just east of Hampton down toward Iowa Falls. Most of that north of Highway 20 and moving east along the Highway 3 corridors. Nothing is severe at the moment, although there is some cloud to ground lightning with some of that activity. The warm front continues to lift off to the north, and behind that we have that hot air mass that is just brewing and will be transporting north with those strong southerly winds. It's coming from this large heat ridge that's already in place down across the southern U.S. Later this week, the center of that ridge will be expanding over the eastern United States, and we'll be on the periphery of it here in central Iowa, which means we do have several hot days ahead. Today, temperatures back in the low to mid 90s with those heat indices well into the triple digits coming up this afternoon. That could certainly cause problems for folks that are going to be outside for Father's Day activities. And then overnight, we don't cool off much. Strong southerly winds will keep our temperatures in the low to mid 70s tomorrow morning. Expect another day in the low to mid 90s tomorrow afternoon with likely some of our hottest readings over the southern and eastern portions of the state. Elsewhere, temperatures back in the low 90s over parts of northern and northwest Iowa. And then we stay in the 70s to near 80 on Tuesday morning before we heat up into the low 90s again Tuesday afternoon. Now we will have some hope in the form of rainfall coming up in the middle part of this week. Now for Monday and Tuesday, most of the rainfall in parts of the Dakotas. That's where they're expecting several inches of rain to stack up and cause flooding issues in the vicinity of that stalled out frontal boundary. But eventually it will start to gain some energy and push off to the southeast coming up Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night into Wednesday. And so as that front pushes southeast, we'll likely see that rain chance go up here into central Iowa with that opportunity for even a few strong to severe storms over the northwestern end of the state. But the rainfall amounts will add up pretty substantially. Take a look at areas northwest of the line from Carroll to Fort Dodge. Mason City could see upwards of 2 to 4 inches with lighter amounts off to the southeast. So we'll get through those 90s through Tuesday, a little cooler with the showers and storms Wednesday and Thursday before we warm it up again by the end of the week.
Well, here's some